Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have iPhone 7 with a cracked screen. As you can see, there's a lot of cracks going through the middle here. I bought this kit on eBay. Came with the LCD screen, a screen protector and a toolkit. I'll be following the iFixit screen replacement guide. So let's get into it. First off, let's put some tape on the screen so the pieces don't come off. Next, we take off the two pentalobe screws. Now I'm going to come in with 120 degrees on my hot air gun and go around the phone. Now I'm going to use this suction tool to pry it out. Okay, got an opening down there. Let's take this out. Now let's take off the 4 tri-point screws down here. Make sure you organize your screws properly because there's different types of screws. Now remove the battery and then the screen connector down here. Now we have 2 Phillips screws up here. Next we can take off the connector here. And the screen is out. Okay, before we put this new screen on, we have to take off a couple of components from the old one. For example, the camera assembly and the home button. There's 4 screws down here we have to take off. Disconnect this connector here. Now let's heat up this area from the other side so the adhesive gets loosened up. I'm going to add some IPA down here as well. And it has to come out from the front here. Be extra careful. So there we go, that's out. Let's put it in here. Okay, the home button's in. Now let's get the camera assembly out. Just want to let you know that this part is not in the iFixit guide that I'm following. So what I'm basically going to be doing is see what's missing on this new screen and replace it all from this screen. There seems to be 4 Phillips screws holding it down. There's one more there. That's out. So that's the camera. This must be the speaker. Take that. One more screw here I need to take out. Need to take off all these connectors as well. Just gonna heat it up from the other side with some IPA and then try it out. Okay, that's out. There's a layer of adhesive down here I had to take. Let's take that off. Okay, when I compare both sides now, everything seems to be in place. So let's put this back on. Before I put this back on, I have to take this shield as well. There are screws on the sides, driving screws. All the ribbon cables are stuck to it, so I'm gonna use some heat to loosen it. And some IPA. I believe that's all we need. Let's take off this sticker here. Okay, the screen is all back together. Let's bring out the other part of the phone. Let's test it. And then lastly, the battery. Let's turn it on and see. Let's turn it on. Let's check if the home button's working. Yeah. So the home button's working fine. Screen seems to be responding. So the back camera is fine, the front camera. Yeah, that's all working as well. I think we're good to go. Let's turn it off again. Okay, let's put all the metal shields back on. So I'm going to glue it back on with B7000 glue. Before that, I'm going to clean out the old adhesive around the edges. Okay, all the glue is cleaned up. Let's check again once more before putting the B7000. I'm gonna go around with a IPS soaked cotton wool to take off the extra glue that's sticking out. And finally, let's see if I can get this screen protector on. This is alcohol wipe. I'm just gonna clean the screen. Okay, here we go.